Imagine you've jointly purchased a property with your partner, but the relationship breaks down and you go your separate ways. Years later, your ex-partner lays claim on your property. How would the courts decide on the division of property rights? This is the intriguing question at the heart of our discussion today. A real-life legal case, Jones versus Kernott. In the year 1985, Miss Jones and Mr. Kernott, a couple with 2 children, bought a house together in Thundersley, Essex. They did not make any explicit arrangements about the beneficial ownership of the property. For a few years, they shared the mortgage payments and the upkeep of the house. However, their relationship hit a rocky patch, and in 1993, Mr. Kernott moved out. Miss Jones and their children continued to live in the house. Fast forward to 2006, Mr. Kernott expressed his desire to claim a share in the property. A year later, in 2007, Miss Jones sought a legal declaration stating that she owned the entire beneficial interest in the house. The judge, drawing from previous legal precedents, stated that in the absence of clear evidence on how the property should be split, the court must infer or impute an intention that reasonable and fair individuals would have had. The judge awarded Mr. Kernott a share of 10% in the property. However, Mr. Kernott was not satisfied with the decision and appealed against it. He argued against the inference of a change in common intention and also protested the judge's intervention in deciding a fair division. The case of Jones versus Kernott is a compelling study of property rights and the intricacies of law. It emphasizes the importance of considering the entire course of dealing between parties and their contributions to the property. In this case, the court awarded Mr. Kernott a 10% share, taking into account factors such as his reduced contributions towards the house and limited financial support for their children. This case underscores the flexibility of constructive trusts to deliver an equitable outcome, considering the specific circumstances and conduct of the parties involved. It's a reminder of how the law strives to be fair and reasonable, even amidst the complexities of human relationships and property rights. And so, we find that the law, like life, is never black and white. It navigates through shades of grey, seeking balance, fairness, and justice. Until next time, keep pondering the intricacies of the law.